Hi everyone, Martin here. I'm an independent Stampin Up Demonstrator from Redditch, Birmingham, UK. So today's card, as promised, I'm going to be showing you this card here, which was my October swap. So shall we just crack on? It is using the Dashing Along designer series paper, which isn't available any longer. But you could quite easily swap the background sheet out for the music sheet stamp, which is a large stamp, so you can stamp that down. And again, with the little baubles, just use cherry cobbler. You don't have to use pattern paper. You can't even really see the pattern on these two. It's only on this one that you can. So let's crack on. So move the stamps out of the way. I'm using a base of crumb cake, which is cut at 10.5 centimetres, folded at 14.8. My mind went blank, I do apologise. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a mat of that design series paper. Again, please look at alternatives if you didn't have any of this. Didn't think that far ahead back when I planned my swaps about when this video would be posted, but hey ho. So there's that. So in the Baubles bundle you do get, let me find it, not that one. The detailed it. So this is included in the bundle. I haven't swapped mine yet, and you get this die, which is perfect to cut out that stamp, this one, which is what I did. But what I liked is this massive medallion, and what it does is it cuts out these little shapes and embosses, as you can see, and then you've got the bigger one here that you can use to cut out if you so wish. So that's that. Move that out the way. So I ran that through with cherry cobbler, which is part of the, it's a colour within the DSP itself. So I've cut that out quickly. The middle bit, which is circle, yeah, is a waste excess product. So what I've done is I've just made a similar tag, which coordinates, so it's using the rest of the baubles, and it's pretty much the exact same. I've used the garden green for the sentiment and the Sahara sand in the background. But there you go. Waste not, want not. Excuse me. So what we're going to do is we're going to stamp our sentiment down in Memento ink. And it's the Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You know, the standard. And I'm just going to place that towards bottom, like so. Nice and easy. I'm going to grab the garden green ink pad, like so. And the small little snowflakes, which you've seen before on my other videos. I'm just going to stamp that randomly all around. Like so. So move this out of the way. With the baubles, so I've chosen, I don't actually know the correct name, the circle one, the funky one, and the other funky one. That's how we're going to go by. And I'm just going to stick a dimensional on the back, and I'm just going to find a spot that I like and put it down. I'm sorry if you can hear the wind. It's very windy today. Like so. So as you can see on the example, I did do the little twine bows. So not thinking ahead, I didn't think how long this might take me. It didn't take me too long. I brought in my foam mat and my paper piercer, and just above the bauble I poked a little hole. Like so. And then using the linen thread, just poke that through, quickly cut the end off. Poke it through, bring it round and tie a pretty bow, he says. And just fiddle with it until you're happy. So as I've been doing lots of tutorials on how to do videos, I'm going to quickly speed this up now. And there you have it. So all I'm going to do is pop some dimensionals on the back. That's fine. Sorry. Like so. Where I want this, I want it slightly off the card. Place that down. And all I'm going to do is quickly lift it up and put a dab of glue behind. If my glue wasn't blocked up. There we go. So a little bit there. And a little bit underneath, like so. And that's all you need, and it will hold it in place. So all I'm going to do now is flip the card over and snip off this little bit here. And there you have today's card. Again, it's using the beautiful Baubles stamp set, and then we did use the detailed Baubles framelits. I hope you enjoyed today's card. Any questions, please leave a comment in the description below. All my social media links are also in the description bar below, along with the list of products used in today's card, minus the DSP in the background, for the background. As always, please feel free to contact me with any questions. I'll be happy to help. Thank you. Bye.